Yo, what's up?
So, today...
I mean, I don't exist.
We are... You don't exist. We are putting a new seatbelt in the Green X5 and a nasty pod filter toilet thing on the silver MX-5. Let's go. You just zoom in on me a bunch. I can tell because of the lens.
We out here filling up and shit. We're going to Mitre 10. To get some plumbing supplies to try set up my coilovers. I mean, my cold air intake.
Yo, come look over here. These, put them on the back of a front wheel drive car.
Yo, do it.
Yo, we're just right here looking at some pipe for the pod filter.
Yeah, relocate the pod filter. Got some.
Because it's got to go like round the bend.
So I'm thinking 290s.
290s?
Or maybe 145.
They're like $5 each.
Yeah.
We get Angus?
A 90-degree bend in whatever that diameter was, small, and an 80mm 45-degree bend. So
Sweet.
one of these is bound to do the trick. One of these is bound to be the right size.
Yeah.
I tricked you. We're actually going to be installing them on a Lime scooter. We already did it. She's got a tine sticker on her. She's got tines in her, and we'll show you how it performs. It really made it do a better burnout.
True.
Put this on the end of the exhaust. Put this on the end of the exhaust. What understeer?
Hold on, this still. Sound good? Oh, please stop. That always sounded like that.
Nah man, I swear that's made it louder.
Okay, so anyway,
We just need a hose clamp to hold this here.
we've got some PVC pipe from the plumbing department at the home improvement store. And
And then dumpy tip. Wait, does that make it quieter?
maybe a bit.
Kiwi ingenuity.
Here ingenuity. That's filthy, man.
Hopefully it doesn't melt next to the exhaust. But
Yeah, true. I didn't think of that.
we'll find out.
Yeah, that'd be meant when melted plastic gets sucked in through your intake.
But the engine's
Yeah,
made of
'cause-
metal.
That's not rated to like heat, to take heat.
It's rated to take poos and Leslie, so she'll be right.
Yeah, that's definitely a bad idea. Alright, so we got that bowled out. It was really hard to get out.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Because it's kind of rusty. But now, I just gotta take this top one out. Right. Okay, it's a pretty long bolt.
Oh, I've only just started recording. Do that all again.
Alright, so I'm just taking this bolt.
Record, I thought I had to push record.
Hopefully the roof doesn't fall down, eh?
Oh, I see, the nut is just spinning.
That was a very...
Okay, here's the old seatbelt. Seatbelt, that's what it is. We don't need that. This is the new one. Wrong color, but it's all good. I don't see why it's locked up. I don't know why.
They're designed to lock. Shouldn't be locked all the time. That'd be annoying.
Yeah.
Get a good view of your new haircut here, Larkin.
I don't know what's wrong. Okay, so I'm guessing maybe a 14? No, it's bigger. It must be like that or something. Update. Kind of messed stuff up. Yeah, I went to put this on. I like put the bolt in, but this cannot be like that. It has to be the other way around so it can bolt to the seatbelt tower right there. And can't really have it twisted like that. So it's coming off again. Anyway, wait, why can't I say anything?
Oh man, they're like bucket seats. Look,
Talking about how I should get a bucket seat.
you'll lose some of the original features, mate.
Nah, I don't care about original. I want race car. Okay, so we got the top mounted bit on the seatbelt tower done. I've got some spaces in there for some reason, because otherwise this is too wide for that, and I feel like you shouldn't cut the seatbelt thing because your life is in its hands. Okay, so now we're just gonna get the last bolt on down here. We got this last bolt in here, nice and tight. So if we slide the seat back, we should be able to. I don't know what that is. I'll chop that off.
It's looking pretty legit.
Yeah, we good. Good. Okay, so that job is done. Look at the action on that thing, man. Perfect. Okay, it doesn't match the seats, but who cares? And I only took a socket set and a whole box of tools and like half an hour. I don't know. Oh, one more thing. I got a cat delete, so we're a bit more rowdy. That bit right there. That's about it. Sick.